an abode of flourishing beauty, the mystical influence of nature, an oasis of tranquility. An organic paint skillfully blended using natural ingredients, breathing life into your home. AsianPaints introduces Nilaya Naturals. Dive into the heart of nature's palette. Explore a diverse spectrum of 300 plus shades. Thoughtfully packaged in ocean recycled plastic with a low carbon footprint. Gentle as it is robust. A subtle self-texture with a vintage matte finish, whose elegance only grows deeper with time. Nilaya Naturals.